Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the chat theme in the VK app on your phone. If you enjoy customizing your apps and making them more personal, this video is perfect for you. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, select Account. After that, in the Settings menu, look for Appearance and click on it. Here, you will see the Theme option. Click on Theme, and a variety of themes will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can browse through all available options and choose any theme that fits your style. Once you select a theme, it will be applied immediately to your chat interface, giving it a fresh new look. Finally, make sure to explore all the themes to find the one that suits your preference the most. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.